cabbages and that is in hot. Yes, sir. We trying to do this like this. So we're gonna see. This is bowl number 2. A little bit today, so that's my rotel I'm putting in here. I'm gonna put that in there. Definitely not least. So those. Ooh, that smells so good. Look at that. As I got my cut okra and me some shrimp. All right, I'm about to stir this up. Okay. Woo. In here when it's ready. Okay. Y'all see that? Ooh wee. Dough. I know he probably ain't gonna like it. Here y'all